Infernal Club.
1-5 average. Don't underestimate, please.
1-5 average.
Okay. Hold here for now. When it's fully regroup, let's fully regroup. Okay.
Club.
Boots up.
Club.
Overcharge now.
Naka-dismount sila.
Okay, you're facing west. Facing
Drop
west.
door, may perma.
They might engage on us first rotation. Headbutt first rotation. Please. Headbutt first rotation. Okay? Come southwest. Bonk. Bonk. Start bonking. Clericals. Bonk. Guard runes sa harap, please. Guard runes sa harap. Guard runes. I need to see those guard runes popping off, okay? Guard runes. We have no guard runes in the fucking gate. Guard runes in the
Ay,
gate, please.
nagpalit. Ay,
Go this fucking tank in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this tank that came out. Kill him. Good shit. Okay, come back.
Stop them. D-tanks.
Stop them,
Stop
please.
D-tanks.
Sustain mo, sustain mo.
Nice. Na-bomb sila. Nice bomb. 6 dead. Keep boking.
Please, bonk.
Big bomb to mo na. Big bomb sila.
Keep bonking.
66%. 63.
Please don't walk
Sustain
up
the
for
front.
no reason, huh?
Sustain the front.
Guard runes. We headbutt again. If one D-tank goes out, we engage on him,
46.
okay? Hold you. Keep bonking.
They're looking.
Keep bonking.
Cancel. They're looking, ah.
Need
Looking.
D-tanks to the east and north, huh? If there's fucking brawlers, okay? Keep bonking. We headbutt their engage, okay? We play reactive, okay? Keep bonking, please. Keep bonking. Guard runes,
Looking.
huh? Guard runes.
6%.
6%. Okay. Hold
Engaging.
you.
Open gate.
Stop them.
Engaging.
Okay. Keep walking. Bonk.
Bonk now.
Open.
5, 4, 3, walking. CC them now. 4, 3, 2, 1. CC. On the gate.
Locos, guys. Locos. May win roll sila. Locos now.
On the gate now. Okay, go. Hold you. Use no people. They got left behind.
Brawler behind. Brawler. Sa loob. Sila.
Stabilize inside. Please heal the fucking front line. Heals the front line. Walang
Ready to
heal sa
stop
front
them.
line. Holy shit.
Huwag kayo mag-clamp, guys. Do not clamp. Kailangan mo mag-east side. Amon. Kailangan mo mag-east side muna.
Kamis.
Kailangan mo, huwag ka sa gitna.
Listen.
Engaging. Sa tank natin.
Out on the gate now.
So huge.
South. Ang tagal
Heal
ng
sa
people.
front, please. Heal sa front.
Holy fuck, heals the front.
Heal the front.
Nasaan yung heals natin?
Bonk now. Huwag kayo sa labas, guys. Sa loob kayo. East side lang. Bonk now.
Bombing ah.
Hold. Okay.
Good.
This is
You're
so
good, you're
fucked
good.
right now. Come east. Out.
Huwag
Reset.
kayo sa north. Sa east kayo.
Reset. Okay, now we're good. Now come back now. We come back. We're gonna bonk again. Bonk.
Looking.
Ready headbutt. Bonk.
Looting,
Take space, please. Take space. Kill the fucking guards. DPS, if you're not doing anything, kill the fucking guards and ready to heal us. Watch out, bomb.
Looking.
Just dying for no reason. Why are we not healing these fucking
gate.
clams? Why are we not healing these fucking bombs, guys? Okay, hold you. Ready on the D-tanks to the south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. D-tanks on the south. Okay, headbutt. Okay. Tayuan nyo tong mochi ko.
Roll them.
Kill Mochiko. Okay, bonk southeast, please. Bonk
Bonk fast.
Look at the fucking
Bombing inside.
Hold.
Okay, we're good. Bonk.
Keep holding.
I need heals in the front, guys. Kailangan ng heals sa front.
Brawler
Dominate na tayo.
party
Pasok na kayo lahat.
Bonk
Brawler
south.
party southwest side.
Looking. Engaging.
Hold.
On the tanks front.
Hold on, please. Hold on. Keep walking. Play for gate. Keep walking. We all in on the fucking when this gate is broken.
Wala
We all
silang
in.
engage.
15.
Keep on.
10 gate. 5 gate. Open na.
We're gonna fake, huh? We're gonna fake. Fake east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fake east. Walk in. Every defense is popping this.
Ready to hold.
Walking. All in tayo. Middle.
Locos now. They're looking. Hold them.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go in.
Full brawl now.
Get inside. Huwag kayo matakot.
They're running west. Hold them west. Win wall west, please. Kahit isa.
Knock on heels, guys. Come west. Keep walking.
Win wall west, please.
West.
Lifeguards west.
West. Patay na
Keep
sila.
engaging.
Keep
Keep
walking.
engaging.
Keep walking.
Don't come out ah.
Do not
Don't come out.
click
Do
west.
not click the gate.
west.
Do not click the gate, boys.
Okay, hold. Inside.
Nasa labas
Naklik ni
kayo. Mount up
Gagski.
na.
Naklik ni Gagski, ha?
Mount up ka na, Gagski.
Naklik ni Daga, ah.
Dalawa lang sila. It's okay. No need to pull out.
Get the castle now.
Okay.
Ang baho, guys.
Meron pa sa east side, guys. Isa. Please, kill.
Gago, wala na. Tumakas na.
Pwede natin to habulin, ha? Kaso, wala.
Just get the castle for now. Ewan ko kung naloot nila. Open na eh.
Open.
Brawler. Pagkapasok sa gate, una niyong gagawin, mag-rotate sa likod, hindi mag-clap sa harap, brawler. Walang Infinity Blade sa likod.
Mag-bod review tayo. Ang daming mali na nangyari sa fight na to. Sobra.
Parang pasawasa.
Brawler.
Kailangan just take the castle, guys. Gago. Tulungan nyo si Zenasta sa east. Someone heal. Zenasta over the hill. Heal him. Okay, good. Get the fucking Lord, please. Get the Lord. DPS, why are you trying to heal
Zinasta, heal
Zenasta?
Zinasta.
Chow ni ma. Tangina, ang lupit nyo. Why the fuck is you going east? There's fucking Lord. You have heals, bro. God damn. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Yo, this game is hilarious sometimes, man. Holy
Patay si Gabo?
shit.
Sa tanks nag-engage eh.
Get the castle,
Makikita
guys.
yon eh, yung sinong pagkapasok kung saan pumunta.
Ang lala, putang ina, may loots pa ba?
3M.
Guys, Zenasta is looting, huh? Not you guys, okay? The fuck?
Oo, hindi
Is
naman
there loot
nakakita.
still? Wala na ata eh. Kuha na ba nila lahat?
Yung namatay sa southeast? Sino? Discipline EJ, no?